Traveling with diabetes can be challenging, but with the right preparation, it's completely doable. Here's a simple 6-step packing guide to help you stay safe and in control wherever you go. Step 1. Pack all essentials, and then double it. Start by gathering everything you use daily. Your glucose meter or CGM, test strips, insulin, syringes or pens, and pump supplies if you use one. Now double it. Travel delays happen, and having extra can be a lifesaver. Step 2. Build a travel kit. Use a pouch or organizer to keep your diabetes supplies in one place. It makes life easier at airport security and saves time when you need to check your blood sugar or take insulin quickly. Step 3. Keep everything in your carry-on. Never check your diabetes supplies. Bags get lost, temperatures fluctuate, and insulin can spoil. Keep your essentials with you at all times, especially during long flights. Step 4. Keep insulin cool and stable. Insulin is sensitive to heat. Use a cooling pouch or travel-friendly mini fridge to protect it, especially if you're going somewhere warm or sunny. Step 5. Don't forget snacks and glucose boosters. Always carry TSA-friendly snacks like protein bars or trail mix. And more importantly, bring something that works fast in a low blood sugar emergency, like glucose tablets or juice boxes. Step 6. Prepare documents and backup plans. Bring a doctor's note and a prescription for your supplies. It can smooth over security checks or pharmacy visits. Also, pack a spare meter or pen, just in case something gets lost or stops working. With these 6 steps, you'll be ready for any destination and any situation. Safe travels, and if this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more wellness tips on the go.